Okay, before we start our assignment on adverbs and adjectives, we're going to review the difference between them. We learned an adjective describes a noun, right? So like pretty, slow, fast, tall, happy, sad. Okay, so what adjectives describe nouns? What is a noun? Kelsey? Person, place, or thing. Okay? So it's very important that you know both. What is an adjective? What is a noun? Because the adjective always describes the noun. Okay? Like the pretty girl, the happy puppy, the tall building, the gloomy sky. Those are adjectives because they describe nouns. Okay? Adverbs, remember, are going to describe verbs. And what is a verb?
Verb is something that you can do.
Something you do. So action, something you can do. Okay? Does it always end in ly? No, but a lot of the times it does. But an adjective can end in ly too. So that's where it really comes in handy if you know what a noun and a verb is. Okay? So now let's flip to a clean page where we're going to practice telling me the difference between the nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Okay? Okay, so we're writing this in our language arts notebook. Reads quietly. Reads quietly. Okay, so first we need to look at the blue word. Is the blue word a verb or a noun?
Noun.
Verb. Why is it a verb? It's something you can do. Bryson? She said what you were going to say? Because you can read. That's something you do. Okay? So we would say this is a verb. Okay? And what type of words describe verbs? Is it an adjective or an adverb?
Adverb.
Adverb. See, once you figure out what the blue word is, then the red word comes easy because we know adverbs describe verbs. Okay? Let's try another one. Okay, actually I should have flip-flopped this. This should have been blue and this should have been red because this is the describing word, neat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so first we need to look at pile. It's describing a pile, like a pile of clothes or a pile of leaves. Okay, so pile, is that a verb, something you can do?
Yes. No.
No. A pile in this case is what? Yes.
Like a stack.
It's like a stack of things, so that's a thing, right? A noun? It's a thing, so we say it's a noun. Okay? What types of words describe nouns? Evangeline? No. Aaliyah? Adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs describe verbs. Okay, so we need to look at the blue word first. Stopped. Is stopped. So we need to decide if the blue word is a noun or a verb. Is stopped a person, place, or thing, or something you can do?
You can do.
You can do. So if I can do it, is that a verb or a noun? Verb. Okay. What type of words describe verbs? Everybody.
Adverb.
Adverb. So suddenly is an adverb. Slowly moved. Okay, so we need to look at the blue. Moved. We need to decide, is it a noun or a verb?
Move.
Is that something we can do, Aaliyah? So it's what? A verb. What type of words describe verbs?
Adverb.
Adverb. Getting a little bit easier?
Yes. Kind of. Why do you think? Oh, it's adverb is something that describes a verb.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Okay. Friendly. People.
Friend. I thought it said friend.
Friendly people. We need to decide if people is a noun or a verb first.
Noun.
What do y'all think? Aaliyah, Evangeline, what do y'all think?
Noun.
Noun, very good, because it's a person, place, or thing. What type of words describe nouns? Adjective. Wavy. Hair. Hair. What? We need to first to figure out if that's a noun or a verb. What do you think, Javea? Is it something you can do?
No.
Nope. If it's not something you can do, it means it's not a verb.
It's a noun. It's a noun.
It's a noun because it's a thing. Good. So, what type of words describe nouns?
Adjective.
Adjectives. Good. Happily Danced. All right, Gregory, what is danced? Noun or a
Yes.
verb?
Sure. Wait, no.
Wait, no? You're not sure?
Now.
No, you said it already.
No.
Okay, so danced in this case is a person, place, or thing.
No. I meant a verb
Verb because why?
because verb explains action.
Action. Good. It's action, something you can do. All right, so that means happily must be what, Gregory? Adverb or adjective?
Adverb.
Adverb.
Woo. So if it's a verb, it's an adverb, and if it's not a verb, it's an adjective.
Exactly.
Oh, now.
So adverbs only describe verbs. Adjectives will describe people, places, things. Anything that's not a verb. Gently blue. Kelsey?
Blue would be a verb
Good. That's the past tense of blow.
because you can blow something like a bubble or something.
Good. Verb because you can do it. It's something we can do.
And gentle would be an adverb.
Adverb. Gently is an adverb because it's describing a verb. Okay, last one. Okay, we need to look at what the subject is, what it's talking about. Bear. Is a bear a noun or a verb, Allie? Remember, verbs are something you can do. Is bear something you can do?
Yes.
No. So what does that mean? If it's not a verb, it's what?
Noun.
A noun.
It's a stuffed bear.
Good.
And cuddly is cool because you can.
What type? Not adverb. Adverbs describe verbs. We're describing a noun.
Adjective.
Adjective.
Adjective is like
Okay. Do we have enough examples where it's a little bit easier now?
yeah.
Adjectives describe nouns, and remember, a noun is a what?
Adjective.
A noun is an adjective. Person, place, thing. It can also be a feeling or idea. Okay? What is a verb?
A verb is an action.
Shows action.
You can do it. Then
Something you can do. Now, when we get to our assignment, you can be looking back at your notes to help you. Okay? I need one person to come pass these out. We're going to do a couple together, too, to get you started. So I want to make sure we're doing this correctly. Thank you. Okay, so let's look at our assignment for today. Adjective or adverb. So what you have to do is read each sentence, circle the ly word, decide whether it is an adverb or an adjective. Write the appropriate term on the line following the sentence, okay? So, for example, it says, no one wanted to live by the smelly landfill. What is smelly describing? Evangeline? Smelly what? Landfill. So is landfill a noun or a verb? It's a noun. Good. So that makes smelly an adjective, okay? Because look back at your notes. Adjectives always describe nouns. Okay? Adjectives describe nouns. So it says it right here. Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs describe verbs. Just like we practiced. So let's try number 1. I want you guys to figure out what ly word we're going to circle. So what should we circle?
Ran.
Quickly. And then figure out what it's describing. Ran. Okay, is ran a verb or a noun?
Ran is a verb.
That's a verb. What words describe verbs?
Adverb.
Adverb. So quickly is an adverb. Okay? Number 2. The people in the small town were friendly. The ly word is friendly. And it's describing what?
It's describing people.
People. Good. So is people a noun or a verb?
A noun.
Noun. What describes nouns? Adjective.
Can I read it?
Okay, number 3.
The boat sailed peacefully down the river. Peacefully.
Peacefully. And it's describing what?
It's a
No, not the boat.
sailed.
Peacefully sailed. What is sailed?
Verb.
It's a verb. That's something you can do, right? Can you go sailing down a river?
Yes.
Yes. So sail is a...
Adjective. Adverb.
Oh, peacefully is the adverb because sailed is the verb. So peacefully is an adverb. Very good. Okay, last one we're doing together and then you'll be on your own.
Is it number 4?
The elderly man could not walk very far. So we're going to circle what?
Elderly.
Elderly. And it's describing what?
A man.
The man.
The man would be a noun.
It's a noun. Good.
Adjective.
What type of words describe nouns?
Adjective.
Adjectives. Okay, now the rest of these I want you to try on your own. Remember use your notes, use your spiral if you need to, look back. We wrote down what a noun is, we wrote down what a verb is. Okay? You also can look up at the top.